Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Now let's tap on show your data, and as you can see here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can check that I've been using it for 22 minutes, and the most of the time I've spent on the Chrome. And we've got the other apps also here. What's more, you can check the unlocking. Your device will count down how many times you'll unlock it and how many notifications you will receive. After tapping on this graph, let me tap on it, you can check also the weekly graphs. So it's quite a cool option. You can set the timers for your apps. Of course, here you've got the details, how much time you've spent on particular apps. You can change the screen time to the notifications and times opened. Let's get back. Here you've got also quite cool option, because here you've got ways to disconnect. So it means that if you need the time for yourself, so you have to focus, you have to study, or you have to work, then you can set the focus mode. And thanks to checking from which apps you receive the most notifications, you will be able to select the distracting apps and mark them and limit them. Limit the notifications which you will receive from them. So your device will allow you to have time for yourself. What's more, here we've got the options to manage notifications or do not disturb mode. You've got heads up. You've got also the option to show icon in the app list, and of course here you can enter the parental controls. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.